Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear your Facebook search history. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. First, I need to open up Facebook application. I need to get in menu. Here I tap on settings and privacy. Next, settings. And here I need to scroll down to find activity log feature in your information section. I will tap on activity log, and here I need to find, here it is, search history. That's kind of filter option. I just tap on it, and here I got all my search history. I can delete this specific request by tapping on this and tapping on delete. So I will delete just one request, and if I want to clear up all the search history, I can just tap here on clear searches. And now I got no items anymore in my search history. So now you know how to clear your search history on Facebook. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and see you next time.